Hey folks, Volker here from the Gearhead Depot. Today is a great day. We are going to make good progress because today the engine and transmission are coming out of the truck. But at first, let's roll the intro. So to remove the engine from the truck, we have to get rid of the headers, the exhaust system, some cooler lines from the transmission. The transmission cross member has to be loosened up. The drive shaft has to come out of the way, and then we can pick up the engine with a motor plate on the carburetor studs to lift it on and shove the truck back so all the big heavy things come out, hopefully without further troubles. And now I'm going to show you how it looks on the underside of the truck. So at first we have to loosen the transmission mount so there are no obstacles in the way. Then we loosen the exhaust system and put it aside. Then next the headers will be loosened up and hopefully we can pull them out from above. And the next thing will be the drive shaft. It comes out so the transmission and the rear axle are no longer connected. And hopefully we can extract the transmission cooler lines without too much leakage. And I already drained the transmission oil, not to make the biggest mess possible, so we can start disconnecting all the stuff. The Demon carburetor, 625 CFM, wonderful beast, runs right out of the box. I'm very happy with this one, but now I'm ditching it in favor of fuel injection. So here we have the chromed alternator, which is at least 10 horsepower more than the standard one, because it's chromed. And chrome won't take you home, even with more horsepower. Okay, now we're gonna shove it from the lift to get the motor out. Pretty excited. I think we're just a few minutes away from pulling the motor out and getting the progress I wanted for today. We do jack up the truck to put it on some rollers because it's too low to get the engine hoist under the front axle. So we have to lift it to get the engine hoist in far enough to pick the motor up.
Nice. Roll with the Royals.
So folks, all the way out. Transmission, engine, chassis. Success. That was the goal I had today, and everything went fine. Almost no problems. And with the help of my buddies, Michael and Gandalf, we did it. We got it out. And as always, leave a comment or a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Success today, and I'm very proud of it. Thanks. Have a nice day.